If lavish escapes and exclusive retreats spark your curiosity, then you're about to discover the world's most luxurious travel hotspots of 2024. First up, we have the enchanting Seychelles, where crystal clear waters meet pristine beaches. Here, luxury means private islands and personal butlers. Next, jet over to Kyoto, Japan. With its serene temples and sublime gardens, Kyoto offers a tranquil yet opulent escape from the ordinary. Third on our list is the vibrant city of Dubai, where futuristic architecture meets world-class shopping. It's a playground for those who seek the extraordinary. Fourth, the Amalfi Coast in Italy, with its breathtaking vistas and exquisite dining, remains a timeless haven for the elite. And rounding off our list, we travel to the remote yet spectacular Antarctica. Luxury cruises here offer an experience like no other, amidst awe-inspiring icy landscapes. So, where will your next luxury adventure take you?